Hello and welcome to another Peeves, Tips, and Tricks. I am Dr. Sherry Bainbridge with Holistic Collaboration, and let's talk about the naughty word, stress. 90% of all illness is because of stress. So let's find ways, as our world appears to become more and more difficult to move around in, more and more difficult to even think of affording, much less having fun in. Ways to relieve stress become more difficult because of economic times, period, for most everyone. So let's find many different ways. I'm going to talk about one, and this is one of my peeves, and I am just as guilty as everybody else. And that is cashing in on warranties. How many of us have, say, makeup brushes, years old, lifetime warranty, and they start falling apart and we forget? Or what about that beloved pillow? Lifetime warranty, but we forget to cash in. Keep track of your warranties. Start cashing in on those warranties. 99% of people just simply do not do that. So I'm standing here today just to remind you to relieve this little bit of stress by ensuring that you are keeping track of your warranties and not wasting them. Divine love, everyone.